It's time for cat school. Oh, Naomi. Yeah, we just came from outside. And Naomi, why don't you get on your mat? Okay? Come over here on your mat. Come on. Good girl. Samson decided to come in. Okay, good boy, Samson. Okay, get on your mat. Good boy. All right. So, yes, good job. Okay. Naomi, low five. Fist bump. High five. Oh, other hand, other one. High five. No, other one. This one. Yeah. Good girl. Samson, low five. Fist bump. High five. Yes. Good boy. All right. Okay, Naomi. High five. High five. Yes. Good girl. Okay, Samson. High five. High five. Yay. Good boy. Naomi, spin. Oh, that was beautiful. Samson, spin. Spin. Samson, spin. 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 Ready? Spin. Come on. Spin. Spin. Huh. Spin. Yes. Come on. Spin. Good boy. Okay, Naomi, can you do it the other way now? Sit. Okay, Naomi, spin. Good job. Samson, spin. Oh, very good. Very good. Okay, Samson. Good. Naomi. Yes, good job. Oh, yes, Samson, back on your mat. Yes, good job. Okay, you guys like this one. Ready? Samson, Naomi. Very good. Yes, excellent. Let's do that again. Are you ready? Excellent. Samson, Naomi. Yes. Yes, excellent. Okay, where did my cups go? All right, Samson, you like this one, I know. Okay, ready? One. Okay, let's do it again. Ready? One. Oh, you didn't, I don't, did you hear it? Ready? Watch. Yes, good boy. Yes, good girl. Stay. Sit. Okay, Samson. 1, 2. Yes, good boy. Naomi. 1, 2. Yes, good girl. You actually picked it up. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, Samson, get on your mat. Get on your mat. Yes. Okay, Samson. What? Stay. 1, 2. On your mat. 3. Wait. Okay. Okay. Not you, Samson. Come on, Samson. Samson. Okay, this is new. Making you wait. Ready? Yes, good boy. Okay, Naomi, ready? 1, 2. Look, Naomi. 3. Yes, good girl. Very good. Yeah, we haven't done it that way before. No, we haven't. Okay, Samson. Oh, get on your mat. Get on your mat. Sit. Sit. Good. Good job. Okay, Samson. Ready? Right here. Right here. Come on. Come on. Yay, Samson! Okay, and then can you come back? Come back. On your mat. Yes, good boy. Good boy. Okay, Naomi, let's see. Oh, get on your mat. Samson, here. On your mat. On your mat. Samson, on your mat. Get on your mat. Good boy. Look. Sit. Yes. Okay. Naomi. Good. Okay, Naomi. Yes. Samson, on your mat. Sit. Awesome, Naomi. Good job. You did it again. Well done. Well done. Okay, Samson. Yes, good boy. Good boy. We'll just get you used to it. Okay, on your mat. On your mat. Yes. Okay, Naomi, one more time for you. Okay. Okay, Naomi. Yes, good girl. Here, Naomi. Yes, very good. Good job, guys. Okay, what should we do for our final one? What should we do, huh? Oh, I know. Let's do this. Okay, ready, Samson? Ready? Yes, good boy. Okay, back on your mat. Good boy. Okay, Naomi, ready? Here we go. Ready? Come on. On your mat. I know you did good, but you need to stay on your mat now. Stay on your mat. Good boy. Okay, Naomi, ready? Here we go. Ready? Oh, no. Yes, you did good. You did good. Okay, back over. Up. Yes. Okay, Naomi, let me do it this way. This will be better for you. Okay, ready? Here we go, Naomi. Come on. Come on. I know, it's just Daddy. It's just Daddy. Okay. Here you go. Good girl. Okay. On your mat. Naomi, get on your mat. Oh, very good. Samson, let's see if you can do it this way. Ready? Here we go. Ready? Oh, yes. Good one. Good job, buddy. Very good. Oh my gosh, that was so good. That was so good. Okay, Naomi. Ready? Here we go. Ah, Stay. Okay. Naomi. Ah, Stay. Naomi. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Okay, back on your mat. Up, up. Samson. Okay. Good job, you guys. Okay. Samson, thank you. Naomi, thank you. Cat school all done. And now you won't get off your mat. Okay, let's do the follow finger. Ready? Good job. Yay! Cat school all done. Okay. Samson. Okay. Good. Okay. Good job. All right. Cat school all done. All done, cat school. Oh, this is hilarious. You guys don't want to quit. You don't want to quit. You're going to stay on your mats. Okay, ready? Here we go. Yay! Good job. Very good. Okay. Cat school all done. Cat school all done. We're going to pick up your mats now. I'm glad that you love cat school. I do too. Yes. All right. Until next time. Cat school all done.